I attribute my success to this: I never gave or took any excuse. I never lose an opportunity of urging a practical beginning, however small, for it is wonderful how often in such matters, the mustard seed germinates and roots itself. How very little can be done under the spirit of fear. Were there none who were discontented with what they have, the world would never reach anything better. I attribute my longevity to the fact that I never drank anything stronger than champagne in my life. The very first requirement in a hospital is that it should do the sick no harm.